I'd like to welcome you guys to Happy Hollow Tunnel. Boy, I got some talking to do about this. And it even has a nice good steep hill up to the railroad tracks. Let's go through the Happy Hollow Tunnel and I'll tell you all about it on the other side. Okay, where do I start? Well, let's start from this point. Oh, you know what? I could have done some underwater footage here too. Ah, darn, I still might be able to do it. But let's start from here. I did a video here back about 10 years ago, over 10 years ago. I would show that video down in the description, but I'm embarrassed about it, because it is a horribly done video. But guys, where you are at is in Bonnell, Indiana. And I don't know, you think we could cross this?
Yeah, it's not going that fast.
Yeah, Angie and I are trying to find another way out of here because, yeah, it's gonna have to, we're gonna have to go real slow. Oh man, I got a lot to tell you about this, guys. Just hang on for a minute. Might be more talking on this video than beauty shots, but I got a lot to say. Let's get it over with. Let's go back to the early 80s, okay? Early 1980s. My father used to bring us down here, and at that time, it was a little different. Let me show you. Back then, the water was a little bit deeper than what it is now. And I used to enter this pipe right here. Well, you can't see it now, but I used to enter that pipe somewhere right here and swim through it and come out the other side. So we used to come down here and swim all day long. Now, when I got a little older, back right before I started dating Angie, and right after I dated Angie, me and a bunch of my friends used to come down here, and this is where we used to drink. We used to come down here and party. We didn't do any damage. All we did was come down here, get along the shorelines, and had a little campfire and drink. You know, drink alcohol. Yes, back then I used to drink a lot of alcohol. And this was a place to escape reality. Just come down here and just enjoy ourselves. And then when I met Ange, I brought her down here, and yeah, that's a whole other story right there. Yeah, we had something weird happen while we was down here. Now, let me tell you a little bit about the tunnel itself. Okay, let's start with these rocks right here. Okay, for starters, this tunnel was built in 1909?
1904.
1904, thank you, Ange. And I'm not sure how many years ago it was, but they had to bring all these rocks in from Cincinnati, Ohio. They brought them in on the rail cars, which is a railroad track right up on top. They brought the rocks in to hold the hillside up, but most of these rocks came in from Cincinnati, Ohio. Back years ago when I used to party, I actually had my name on this wall a couple times. I had one that says Michael, and I can't see where that did the M&M over here, but somewhere down here in the middle is where we put Michael at. But truthfully, I don't see it. I don't see it at all. Oh my God, being inside this tunnel is so cool. But yes, somewhere on this side of the wall, I have my name Michael on there. Now, would I do that today? No. But back then, I was a different type of man. Yeah, I lived on the wild side mostly, but yeah, we're going to drive the car through, or I could get Angie to drive it through because it might be best. And I'm going to videotape, I'm going to guide Angie through so I don't want us bottoming out. So I thought maybe hold on. We're having issues here. We had bees keep coming up behind us, and I think they're trying to stink Stormy. So hang on, guys. We're going to try to figure out what we're doing from here. All right, we're going to go to the other side again, and hopefully the bees will leave Stormy alone. Angie's going to drive the car on through, and I'm going to kind of help her guide her and try to videotape at the same time. We have to go through the water down here. It's very, very dangerous, and the roads are unforgiving. But if we can make it to the other side, it's a lot closer to going out of here back to home is the way we came in. I purposely want to come in this way because last time we was here, it was undrivable through here. So once again, we're going to take my 2020 Chevrolet Spark through some unloving roads, guys. God, let's hope she don't bottom out. I'm a little nervous, I ain't gonna lie to you. I am very nervous. The car's on this side. Let's get some underwater footage. Want to, guys? Yeah. I'm going to let Angie take over Stormy because, my God, she's being
okay, girl?
Super brand new.
Well, yeah, she's a big car coming after her.
Well, I don't know. I don't know if she knew that was you or what, but she's like, I mean, going into attack mode. And I'm trying to videotape and make sure you're doing right with my hands, you know. So I'm sitting there going like this. And
no. She saw Mommy leave, and then she sees a car come towards her.
All right.
You got ladybug.
All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get the other GoPro ready, and let's get some underwater footage. Oh, I'm still trying to get used to doing my videos with Stormy at hand. It's not easy. But she's part of our adventure, so she's going to be with us every step of the way. So either I learn how to do it better or figure it out. But guys, Bonnell, man. That beautiful tunnel behind us. Wow. Well, we're headed up a dirt road. It should be a little bit more forgiving, I hope, than the last one we came down, which you guys seen the footage already. Pretty much off and on the way to get here, but it is definitely beautiful down here. My gosh. It's been 10 years since I was here last, and I don't know if I did this video any justice. So I know the last video I did here was crap. So I don't know. I see an old toilet over there. But guys, this has been it, man. This has been one hell of an adventure. Now, when we get ready to leave here, we're going to look for a place where they had a train accident many years ago. That's on a future video. If we can find it and we can find out where it's not private property to get in, that's what we're going to do in a future video. But we don't know where that's at exactly, and we don't know if we're allowed back in there to do a video. So if we are, expect that to come in the next couple weeks. Now, from this video on, if everything goes to plan, there's going to be 3 straight hikes. For the next 3 videos, we're going to be doing hikes. I got some off the wall days. So there's Angie coming up, and we decided to dedicate all 3 of them days to hikes. So until next time, guys, come on, let's get out of here. Leave me comments down below. What do you think of this beautiful? See if I get it down here. This beautiful, beautiful place. This beautiful tunnel behind me. Oh my gosh. All right, we'll see you next time, guys.